That's crazy. There's so much you can do with this, dude. Look at that. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, we're gonna talk about those right there that you see on my 2018 CAMARO ZL1. I'm sure you guys know by the thumbnail right about now. We're gonna talk about those lights all of you guys always ask me about for years. So we're gonna do an updated video. Now, as we get ready to do this updated video, it wouldn't be right if I didn't do the good old cold start on the channel. Let's get it. Now, some of you guys may have seen the inside of Superman with the black and red seats. Shout out to Custom Interior. Don't mind this right here, this nonsense. We're gonna go ahead and cover that with our hand like that. but either way, there it is. Nice, clean setup. Gauge is working. We're good to go, baby. Let's get this video going, man. I can't wait to talk about these lights with you guys. Let's go. Okay, so as you guys can see, the Camaro is right behind me here. Now, it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be a ZL1 for you to get this app and get these lights on your car. You can have a non-RS and convert it to an RS, or have an SS, or have a ZL1. As long as you have those lights specifically in there, then you can change out the boards. Now, first things first, I'm gonna make sure that I leave the link in the description where you guys can buy these headlights right here. It's gonna be right through RGV Shelby on Instagram. And the underglow, as it starts getting darker in here, I'm gonna make sure I capture it on this vlog. The underglow is actually in sync in the grille and the bottom half of the car with the headlights. And the grille lights, the underglow lights, those are from Automotive Custom Lighting, and I'm gonna make sure I tag them down below as well. Now, please keep in mind, when you get these lights here, a lot of people have asked me throughout the years, is it legal to drive around like this? No, it's not, right? It's not. But sometimes, depending on the occasion, if there's like a big parade, a car show or something like that, they don't mind at all. And these lights actually have a lot of features, and I'm gonna go over them with you now. So first things first, what you need to do is download the Ghost app. That's the first thing that you need to do. As you can see in the app, I have a bunch of different settings that I have preset already right now. But what you can do is, you can go all the way down to the bottom and hit that little plus sign, and then you can add more features, functions, whatever it is that you want to do for the car. So currently right now, as you can see, the one that's highlighted says waves. That's what's currently happening right now with the lights. It's got this little wave effect, and it's doing it with the underglow as well. Now, if you just click of a button and just want to change it, all you got to do is pick whichever one you want. It's pretty common nowadays, but you can click stacker. That's the one that I just clicked on. Let me see if we can lock in. There it is. And then if you look, that's what the lights are doing now. It's like building up, and then as it's building up, then from there, it's just gonna go through all the colors and features, which again is really, really cool, because once it starts getting dark here in a little bit, I'm gonna make sure to do a walk around the car, and everything that the headlights are doing, it is literally doing with the underglow too. They're all in sync, which is incredible. Love it. Now, if you wanna drive around and you wanna just roll around with white lights, you can also. You just click the little white option on the top. That's what the one I got it selected, and they're on white right now, right? Now, you don't have to roll around like that with the underglow on. If you don't turn this feature on the Ghost app at all, if you don't turn it on, then they're just gonna be regular white anyway, right? Now, this controls my headlights, and it controls my DRLs. The projector lights that are in the center also has a Superman etching in there from RGV Shelby. Automotive Custom Lighting does provide them as well, but those are controlled by a different app I'm gonna show you. Those are controlled by this app right here, and this app right here is called LED Hue, H-U-E. That's the name of this app right here, and they actually control the projector lights on the inside. This is one of my features right here. that I usually, shout out to that 370Z. This is one of my features right here that I usually use when I'm pulling up to car meets. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna do a quick walk around. All right, this feature right here that it's doing has a little sparkle effect in the headlights and the underglow. And that one in the options is, let me see if I can, yep, that one is star power. That's the one that's highlighted right now. On the headlight, it has a little sparkle feature going, and it's doing the same thing on the bottom right here with the underglow. Here's what I was talking about in the inside. There it is with the Superman etching in the headlight, as you guys can see it right there. And then when you walk around the car, it's actually doing the same thing with the sparkle effect. As it gets darker outside, I promise you I'm gonna highlight this. One thing to keep in mind with the ZL1, there is actually, some people will put it right on the bottom, the LED strip, but that's not how I got mine. Mine is all the way inside above the gas tank. There's a big slot, and that's exactly where they mounted it. And then on the sides, for the side skirts, some people will just stick them right under the side skirt, which is not what you want, because if you do that, and then if you happen to scrape going over a little bump or something, you can tear those off. Under here, there's actually a slot that goes all the way through. It's got a little opening where you can put like a jack pad to jack your car up. In that slot there, you can stick the LED strip inside, which that's where we have it, the underglow strip, which that's where we have it under there, so it's tucked way in and it will not touch at all. If you see this screen right here and you're trying to figure out what's the passcode, just skip it. Do the same thing, hit pair. Do the same thing for the underglow. Pair. And then it's gonna find the car and then it's gonna load it up. So do I even have green on here? No, but let's hit the plus sign. When you go through these features, look at all these different options. All of these waves, I think that's pronounced Cylon, Builder, Starfall, Popcorn. I'm gonna show you guys, but the one that I was trying to go for was solid, just so I can show you the different colors. We'll close all of them out and we're gonna pick one color at a time. So right now it's on red, and then we highlight it on here. Let's say we want it to be green. It also controls everything in the front too, so if you move your way around, now you can start seeing the grill lights. Those are coming in too. There's blue, yellow. Work your way around. There you go. Nice and bright. So I like the green because it's that time of the year, right? It's just after Halloween, and red and green goes so well with this wrap. Everyone said it looks like a Christmas present. With this color combo, everyone said it looks like a Christmas present. Now, I'm gonna change the feature. You guys check out this feature right here. This one's called Power Surge, right here on the bottom. Click that. That's sick. That's like a heartbeat, bro. Look at that. Now, what you can do, I mean, it controls all the way around the car too, right? So like if you're on the side of the car, see it? And the back of the car, of course. What you can do, if you feel like it's pulsing too slow, you can click the settings button, and then up here you have options. You can go ahead and make it faster, slower, whatever you want to do. See? Now it's pulsing quicker. That's so sick. Now, you can go through the list here. There's so many different ones. Interstellar. It's like a glitch. Then you can add more colors, add more colors, add more colors, add. See it? Or Dream Maker. That's crazy. There's so much you can do with this, dude. Look at that. If you guys notice, look at the light. It's traveling through. See it? That's pretty sick, right? It's all in sync together. All of it. Look at that. And it goes all the way to the back around the car too. Star power. This one is a trip. This one's a trip. I mean, people put Christmas lights all over their car, which I might do it this year. And if you put all those Christmas lights around the car, the whole thing lights up, and then you put this underglow, oh my God, that'll be crazy. Well, there it is, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. These lights are really fun to have. I'll be honest with you. I know the car is like, it's built for the track, right? Like this car is right now is at 810 horsepower. Yes, we got the drag pack in the back and all that good stuff. But it's nice because sometimes when I don't take it to the drag strip, I'll take it to a car show or a car event and it'll be show car ready, just like as you can see right here in the background. Also keep in mind, every time I post on my social media, if I post a picture of the car just by itself like that with the lights on, it gets way more likes and attention in pictures and videos when I have lights on. If I don't have lights on, it does pretty well, just like Optimus does also. But as soon as you put the lights on the car, look at that. It just, also keep in mind, the underglow strip that's on the car, it's not a straight LED strip like most of them are. Like it's a metal piece that's just straight and you just stick it on the bottom of the bumper under the splitter. That actually wraps all the way around, which gives it that effect, right? If it was just straight across, it wouldn't give it that kind of effect, which Optimus is like that. On Prime, I'm gonna change those and get that kit instead that wraps around the front. I'm just kind of worried about Optimus because I have airbags. If you guys want to see that one, if you think these lights are cool, you got to see that one. That one lights up. I don't know, maybe we'll do a video with Prep Champ. We'll do a video with Optimus. And maybe we'll even do a video, you know what, I just thought of something. We'll do a video with Optimus and I'll show you guys the lights on that one because it's different than this one. Then we'll do a separate video with both of them side by side so we can compare. Sneak peek, they're both in sync also. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I appreciate you guys. I'm trying to get to the drag strip. I went to go buy my helmet yesterday and the shop that I went to that I was recommended to go to said they were on back order because we're getting close to the end of the year. And from SA 2020 helmets, they're good for 10 years. They said if you just wait till January, February, instead of them expiring 2030, if you get the ones in January, February, they'll expire on 2035. So if I just wait a couple more months, I'll get 5 more years out of it. So I think I'm just gonna wait a couple more months, but I did get my fire jacket so that way we can make our way to the drag strip. I might just go to the drag strip and either rent a helmet or just ask one of my friends, let me borrow a helmet, because right now it is definitely boost season. And when we take it on the drag strip, I think it'll be a lot of fun. I don't know if I'm gonna have the lights on when I'm running it on the strip, but I still got more videos to come, you guys. And I appreciate you guys. We're creeping up so closely to 50,000 subscribers. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So this month, we got a couple things going on. We're gonna try to go to the drag strip and then we got Fuel Fest coming up. But either way, I'll leave the link and everything down below for everything that we talked about and I showed you on the car today. And if it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. And in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. Hey Dilla, bow, Superman, chilling right there, prime time, chilling in the garage. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.